everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I just want to share this Stampin' Up haul that I've got today, okay? I've got loads of stuff and I'm going to tell you exactly how much all of this costs me, right? I'll tell you exactly how much. Let me just quickly show you what I've got. So I've got the new Crystal Effects, what's it called? Crystal Effects Shimmer Glaze. Crystal Effects, yeah, shimmery. So I'll be having a go with that. I've been fancying some of that. I have got the Snowman Season, and obviously I've got the bundle. If something comes with a punch, I've got to have it. I've got a lovely, lovely collection going of these punches, and I will hoard them until the day I die, and then they can put them in my coffin. Nobody's having my punches. So I'm going to be having some fun with that. Okay, I have got this beautiful one. Some of you that follow me might know that I do like shabby chic and vintage, and that I do journaling and things, and I just thought this was really beautiful, and I love this script here as well as the beautiful main images. This caught my eye because it's like typewriter script. It's lovely. Often when you get script stamps like that, the cursive, italics, you know, or that kind of oldie worldy writing, whereas this one's like book, it's like book printing. So I thought that is absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to have a go at that. And that is a red rubber. Snowman Season is photopolymer. Okay, then I've got this one, Beautiful Friendship. That is a photopolymer. I think it's a does it do two-step stamping? I think it's one of those that, you know, when you stamp it, it looks like it's got tones in it, depth of tone in it. So I'll be having a good play with that. I think that's beautiful. I'm thrilled that I've got some new things in because, you know, I craft a lot and I like to use different things. This is a background stamp, which looks like birch, like bark. And I just thought that is really lovely. I've seen some beautiful backgrounds done with this, using all sorts of different colours. And again, you know, great for the background of cards, great for my journals, great for all sorts of crafting, you know, not just for cards, for everything. And the same with this one, Crackle Paint. That's a background stamp, and I've been after this for absolute ever, but I've been waiting, and I'm going to tell you how much all this cost me and how I paid for it, and I've waited and waited and waited to do this big order. This is Winter Woods. We did have Lovely as a Tree, and this is kind of a bit of a replacement, and I've seen some really beautiful wintry cards done with this. And, you know, it doesn't have to be about Christmas, it's about winter. We've got these bare trees and the wood here. And obviously, you know, we have got the trees as well. And it's that's red rubber, so I'm looking forward to using that. And then I've got the A Wild Rose. That is a two-step stamping one, I can see there. Because we've got, like, that darker colour there we'll stamp on. So I'm really looking forward to using that. That is really lovely. I've seen some beautiful, beautiful stamps. Oh, I didn't notice this has been created by a, is that by a million pound seller? So I didn't notice that in the catalogue, to be honest. So that's been created for that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamp sets and a bundle, and my shimmer accents. And then also I got 2 packs of white cardstock, thick, standard white cardstock, and the thick, because I like the thick for my card bases. And then I have got myself the new trimmer. So I got myself the new trimmer, and the comes, and you can buy packs of 4 blades, okay. So let's have a look at this. I'm not going to do a full review on it. These, I've already seen about 1 billion videos out there by Stampin' Up demonstrators, all sharing the new trimmer. So I'm not going to do a review, but there it is. It's lovely. I'm looking forward to giving it a try. It's got the protective cellophane on. I'll have to get that off because it'll bug me. How does it come out? Am I thick? Oh, like that. It's quite stiff because it's new. Yeah, looks nice enough. It's nice and light. So yeah, we'll be giving that a go. I'll be having a look at that. The blade, I like the wider blades. So there you go. So I've got the trimmer and the blades and all of these. And my cardstock, and I got these absolutely free. Okay, because I'm a clever businesswoman, and you know, when I do training with my team, and I'll try and encourage them, I do not spend hardly any of my own personal money on Stampin' Up products. Hardly any. Now and again I have to, but hardly any. And what I've done here is I have saved my flex points. I saved them for the whole year. I was lucky enough to earn the incentive trip, so I might not get that next year. It's not always guaranteed, but I did get the incentive trip, and then the rest of my flex points, I've saved them and saved them and saved them. And what you can do if you're a demonstrator, and this is one of the massive perks of being a demonstrator, is you can cash them in. You get like flex points, okay, and you can cash them in for product vouchers, kind of like credit to spend in the Stampin' Up catalogue. So if you're a savvy business owner, they don't call me a Scrimping Mummy for nothing. I save mine, and you know, I'll do quite big orders, you know, when I can, when I've got the flex points saved up. So none of this has cost me anything. There is absolutely no reason why, if you become a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you run it as a business, that it should cost you any of your own money. My Stampin' Up business costs me nothing, absolutely nothing. It pays for itself, and I also earn a small income as well, which does vary. But I get my stuff for free. I don't just get a discount. Of course I can get a discount. I can get a discount anytime I want. But if I shop clever, I can get my stuff for free. And that is the main reason why I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator. And also my lovely team. So if it's something that you're fancying, starting off with the discount, building up a business, and ending up where you get all of your products for nothing, like I do, come and have a chat. Right, I'm going to go and play with my new goodies now. I can't wait to get going and share some samples with you, so that you can have a look as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.